Hello Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today we're going to be making a sympathy card using the Softly Sophisticated bundle. This is a free celebration item when you place a $100 order or more in products before shipping and tax. Okay, so it comes with a 3D embossing folder and a stamp set. Really cute. So we're going to be using those today to make our card. But before we get started, I'm going to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So first off, we have our paper pumpkin kit for February, Sweetest Springtime, that makes 9 projects. And the ink spot for this month is going to be an early espresso color. And it's going to come in a unique box for the, to celebrate the season. Reminder, we do have our add-on, the Love Spring dies. They're $12 for 4 dies. The ordering number is 164396. There's a link in the description box below for you to order paper pumpkin. Mystery boxes. These are the USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of retired Stampin' Up products. Some are new, some are used, but they're all retired, all Stampin' Up. I'm asking $25 for each box. You can email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com if you are interested in any boxes. I would love to have your business for that because I need to get this stuff out of my craft room. January host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards. And Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up. And we don't want you to miss out on that. As well as during celebration, you earn more product the more you spend for every $50, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. Let me tell you what we have. I'm going to be using Basic White and Bubble Bath. So these 2 pieces are just scraps for stamping and punching. Then we have our inside that is 3.5 by 4 3/4 Basic White. We have a layer of Basic White that is, what is this? This is 5 1/4 by 4. Oh my goodness. Then we have some Bubble Bath. One is 5 by 3.5. 5 by 3 3/4. I'm sorry. And this one is 5 3/8 by 4 1/8 to layer behind this. And we're going to have a card base of thick Basic White that is 5.5 by 8.5 scored at 4 1/4. Burnish our score line so we can get that done. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is glue our inside pieces together because I've gone ahead and stamped that already. And oh, I didn't tell you, I also used Courage and Faith. I'm sorry. So I used the Courage and Faith stamp set to for the sentiment for the inside of the card. So we're just going to glue this together because I have a couple of things I need to do. That's why I went ahead and finished the inside of the card ahead of time, because we're going to be doing a couple of things here. Okay, so let's go ahead and add that to our card base. Using our multi-purpose liquid glue. Ooh. I burnished it down really good. Didn't want to open. Okay, so we have that done. We can set that to the side. I'm going to get my scoreboard and my scoring tool and my Basic White that is 4 by 5 1/4. So we're going to score this at 1/2 inch. I hope you can see this. Let me turn it a little bit. So we're going to score it at 1/2 inch, 1 inch, and 3 inches. Okay, so that's all we need to do on that. Next, we're going to do some embossing on our paper here. So let me get out my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. You're going to need plates 1 and 4, because this is a 3D embossing folder that we're using. And I am going to try and emboss just that 1-inch portion off to the side here. So let me try to get this lined up in the folder. Okay, I'm gonna have to put it through sideways because I have my cardstock poking out. Okay, so we have that done. Oh, that came out perfect. So now we're gonna do some stamping. And I have some bubble bath and soft seafoam for our stamping. So let's go ahead and open this up. And we're gonna stamp. Do I need, no, I should be able to do it without scrap paper. So let's start down here at the bottom. We're gonna stamp our leaves. Then we're gonna open up our bubble bath. We're gonna stamp some flowers. Let me see. I think it goes like this. Yes, I think. Because that looks like where a bud is right here. Where's the stamp case? Yeah. Yeah. So we're gonna put this bud over here. Just like that. Then we're gonna do another one. Right there. And we're gonna take our floral image again. Stamp that there, and I think I do need some scrap paper. So let me pull that out because we are going to stamp another one. This time like this. And we'll get one more flower in here at the top. Just like that. Okay. So now we're done with the soft seafoam. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp our sentiment. We're going to stamp "You're in my thoughts." Let's do it on this side. That's kind of light. Let me see. Let me clean this off because I might want it in soft seafoam. Maybe my ink pad is like, because it's kind of dark on that end and lighter over here. I don't know. Let's see. I might like it in soft seafoam. I think I like it in the soft seafoam. Okay. So we got all of our stamping done. So now we're just going to be putting things together. So let's go ahead, and I have the double oval punch here. And we're going to punch out a piece of the bubble bath. And then we're going to punch out our sentiment. It is a tight fit, so it's going to cut off a portion of the swirly swirls for the word thoughts, but all the word is there. Now let me see how I like this with the green on the pink. I think that's pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna keep it. So now I have some of the sheer ribbon combo pack in bubble bath. This is a set of 3 ribbons. It comes in azure afternoon and the other color, lemon lolly. So we're gonna use some of this. Let me get some tear and tape here. I'm gonna put this on the side of our card. I wanna hold it down with some tear and tape on the back. Do I have my scissors? I don't see them. just gonna secure that down. Let me get my scissors. Trying to make sure it's in between those score lines. And in my mind, I'm thinking I want 2 strips of this ribbon. So let's see how that would look. What do you think? I'm gonna try it. Why not? I think it'll be pretty with one. Ooh, I don't need that much tear and tape. Let's sit that right there for a moment while we get this. Let me go ahead and release this one. Release the backing on here. I feel like I'm whispering. Can you hear me okay? Without turning your volume up too high? Okay, but I still want to cover this with some tear and tape to make sure it stays. We'll get our other little piece for the bottom. And we'll hold that down just like that. Now let's remove the backing from all of them. Okay, so let's get some liquid glue, and we're gonna add this to our bubble bath layer. I want to make sure we get plenty of glue on this embossed side. Let me get some right here in this corner. Okay, so let's take our bubble bath layer and layer this on. Just like that. Uh-oh, I'm moving the ribbon. Okay, then we're gonna take this and put it to our card base. Make sure we have it going the right way. Now I'm thinking, do I want to add a bow? I think I should. Why wouldn't I? Okay, so then we're going to take this. Come on, ribbon. Stay where you belong. We're going to take this and glue it flat. Should I glue it flat? No, I think I want to glue this down flat, but pop this up. So let me get some dimensionals. Some Stampin' Dimensionals. I'll put some dimensionals on here. Get this centered on our oval, our scalloped, and then we will place this about right here. Let me see about a bow. Let me close up my glue because I'm not ready to put our sentiment down yet. Let's tie us a bow. Do we want it to go like this or like that? Or do we want it over here by our sentiment? I don't know. Let me get this, fiddle with this a little bit because I want a small bow. Okay, let's cut the tails on this thing. And let's see. We can put it here. I'm thinking I might need some glue dots to hold this down. I should have put some tearing tape on that. Glue dots. Let's get some glue dots. Actually, I want to use regular glue dots for this because it's easier because they don't have backings on them. Where's my take your pick tool? I'll get that. Okay, so we're just gonna get one of these and slide it under here. Not crooked. Okay, so we got that glued down. So now let's see. Do I want to just put the bow like right here like this so the sentiment can kind of be over it? Or do we want to put it on the actual ribbon over here? Okay, I don't think I'm going to use the bow. It's too much for me right now. My brain can't handle it. So we're just going to glue our sentiment down. And I think I want it to go about right there, like that. And we're going to use some of the pastel adhesive-backed sequins to finish decorating our card here. This is petal pink, but I think it goes very well with the bubble bath. So we're going to, let me see, do I want these on the flowers? I think I might. I think I might. Are these too big for these flowers? No, they're not. So we'll put one sequence on each flower, and that gives us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. That's good. We have our odd number. We have our bling added. And this is our card. You're in my thoughts. May the Lord bless you and keep you. I love this. This is so pretty. I might add the bow later. I don't know. Okay, you guys. I changed the card. I took the ribbon off from here and put the bow there. I think that's what was throwing me off. It was too much ribbon. But now, and I added two more sequins. And now I like it. I like it a lot now. So that is our card. Again, okay? That's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.